Guys, if you see this person in your server, make sure to never ever accept her friend request, or if she wasn't Brookhaven, yeah, like she told she said all my personal information. Click to the related video. Write down, yeah, to see the full story. What happened? She is creepy. She will even leak where your school is. She leaked mine. She said all my friends' names, but one she didn't. She didn't say. But she said how I look like, what I used to go to school. She is a stalker. Watch out for her.